Good afternoon. This is Forex Guy official. Not posted. Didn't trade yesterday. Took the day off. Needed the day off. Some news has just hit the market, I believe, and this is about to come back up. And I think this is going to reverse back up the market. Let's see. Just watching it now. Yeah, might not want to get in too quickly. I need it to break above the previous candle before I get in. Yeah, look, it's still going down. Let's see what's the deal. The word on the streets, man. So let's check the calendar. Yeah, we've got 3 p.m. So some big, these red bits are major news, which is what might be. There's a forecast on existing home sales. If home sales are going up, means that the banks are lending more, means it's driving the economy, which means it's strengthening the economy, more jobs, more people paying tax, and so on and so forth. So if it goes up, it means it's a good sign. If it goes down, it's a bad sign, weakens the dollar, then it's going to hit things like inflation. Can you bring the interest rate round down, and so on and so forth? So that, and the crude oil is how much people are spending on fuel. That means they have more money for fuel. It also depends on how much it costs to buy a barrel of fuel, of oil. So all of those things. But let's just see how it's doing. Yeah, it's continued to go down. I want to buy this on the way back up because I mean, when you get this sort of downward trend as harsh as this is, we're just waiting for it to come back up. So we'll check back in. And see if we can get in on this one and see where it goes. Hope you're having a good day wherever you are. Forex Guy Official over and out. Okay, Forex Guy Official back here a few moments later. It's riding back up right now. And I've tried to time this in a way that I get into the best part of the market. This is all live. This is all real. You're seeing it here and now. I want to protect my account because I've leveraged quite high here, which I wouldn't traditionally do. Because on this small account, 0.4 is quite a large sum. You can see here, 7,000 is the margin. I can afford to lose 78 to keep me at the 6,000 mark. I feel like this is going to turn around and head back up because that is a huge drop for an afternoon in that respect. It might continue to drop down. I can afford to lose 78, which looks like I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm at the 78 mark already. That takes me below the 1,000, which is my threshold. But I think I've got to be patient here and see how this develops. There's a bit of a tipping place. I should really put a stop loss at the 78, so that just keeps me honest. So if I put it here at the 70, at 80, so the 78, which is about 68 here. I want 78 really. 74. I mean, it's moving back up, which is my expected. And what you do is you put the stop loss to protect your account so that if it doesn't go your way, you lose money, but you don't lose that much money at the same time. And as you can see, I'm now in profits. I need this to climb a little higher, and then I'll put the account protection inside. Then I will definitely guarantee a profit out of this move. Because of the stakes are high here, let me do that. So I've gone in. I'm going to make money either way. So whether this goes up or down, I'm going to make a couple of quid here. I might even move up a little bit. There we go. Okay, it's motoring now. So we're 75 up, 80. Let's see where it gets to. Let me put my take profit in at the top here. It'll be great if I can get 500 out of this bag. Let's see. I mean, we're already at 100, and you know, I'll happily take 100. So let me move this stop loss up. So I'm leaving the stop loss where it is right now. I'm going to make 26 if this goes the other way. That's great. So we'll come back we'll come back and see what happens. Part 3, let's see how we've done. Is it still going, or has it clocked out at 26? Still going. It's at 186 now. So I think this will continue to climb. I think we might end up with the 400 here. Yeah, we might end up with the 400 here. I mean, it's climbing quite rapidly. I could clock out here at 200, and that'll be a good day's innings. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to half the take. So I was going to make 26 regardless, because I got the stop loss in after the buy price moved up. I'm going to go half, which is 100. So worst case scenario, I come out 100 better, which is still a win. And you can see it's just pulled back there. We'll come checking in again in a moment. Just to wrap up, yeah, I clocked out at 100, as you can see here. So I put in the stop loss. I wanted to do that because 0.4 is quite high for this account. But I'm going to go back in at a lower amount because I think this will continue to move, of 0.005. And yeah, I think I'll get two of those. Yeah. Cool. Forex Guy Official. Keep watching the journey.